YouTube is changing. Recently, popular channels have been getting a lot less views, especially on their long-form content. But what can you do? Well, in a recent call with a YouTube specialist, we've learned some secrets that we'd like to share with you. These secrets can help you maximize the chances of getting more views starting with your next video. I know, everyone's talking about YouTube Shorts and a lot of people are hyping them up and claiming that Shorts are the future, but what if your channel is focused on long-form videos? Well, YouTube has thought about this too and came up with a solution. They added a new feature to YouTube Shorts called related videos. Now when you upload a short video, you'll have a chance to select a related long-form video. Now when people watch your shorts, they'll see this small play button and the title of your long-form video on the screen. This should help direct some traffic from your short-form videos to the long-form ones. If long-form videos are your specialty and you really don't want to create YouTube Shorts, we've got something to help you out too. You don't really need to create short-form videos as teasers for your long-form content. Instead, you can treat the first 30 seconds of your video, which are the most important, as its own YouTube Shorts segment. What I mean is that you can create an intro with a hook that makes people curious or evokes some strong emotion in the first 30 seconds. Then continue your long-form video naturally. At the end, you can reuse that intro as a short. That short will provide context, hook viewers, and increase the chances that someone who's interested in the subject will click on the related video. This feature has been available on YouTube for a long time, but a lot of people tend to ignore it. However, ignoring this feature can severely reduce your chances of having a successful channel. In a recent call with a YouTube employee, their tip was to use the community tab, especially now that we've added the add a video function. That's why we're gonna offer you the same advice. Use the community tab more often, especially when you can't post a new video. Why? Because by doing this, you send a signal to YouTube letting them know that you're still active. Even if you don't post a full video, YouTube will show that community post to a significant number of your subscribers. This way, you can still interact with your community even if you haven't had a chance to upload a new video in a while. Pro tip: one of the best type of community posts you can make is polls. Even a very basic poll like "When do you want me to upload the new video, Monday or Friday?" tends to generate good engagement from your community and provide some valuable feedback on top of that. If you're a content creator, you probably already know what trending content is. But if you haven't heard about evergreen content yet, well, it's the type of content that doesn't get a lot of traction immediately but tends to get a constant number of views over time. This type of content mainly relies on searches as well as related videos. Let's give you an example. On our channel, we have a video called How to Improve Video Quality Online. This video was initially uploaded in 2022 and it didn't get a lot of views. However, the number of daily views it got remained consistent and in time it became one of the most viewed videos on our channel. Even now, as we're recording this video, it's still getting a significant number of daily views. What you need to understand is that evergreen content is a lot more suitable for long-form videos. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google and a lot of people use it to look for tutorials and reviews exclusively. On top of that, it's very challenging to only cover trending topics on your channel since eventually they're bound to stop being relevant to your niche. That's why evergreen content is a much more relevant option for most channels. We hope you found these tips helpful. Feel free to try them out for yourself and let us know how it went in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing!